Hi, welcome to Institute of Banking Studies. In our JAB, Bank Reconciliation Statements, an important chapter. From this chapter, you can expect at least questions for 10 marks. This chapter is very simple to learn, it is very easy to do these problems. Please watch. What is Bank Reconciliation Statement? In all business concerns, we are maintaining cash book. Popular cash book is known as 3-column cash book. What is 3-column cash book? Discount, cash and bank account is operated in a single book. It is very convenient, that is why it is popular. So, in this discount account, cash account and bank account is correspondingly open. So, debit side of the cash and the bank, credit side of the cash bank account is also operated in this book. So, it is very easy. See, whenever you are making transactions with our bank, immediately you are entering in the bank account in the cash book. So, hereafter I am telling what is cash book means. We are meaning the debit side or credit side of bank account which is incorporated in the cash book. So, when we make a transactions with the bank, we are recording that transactions in our cash book, either debit or credit. At the same time, we are maintaining our bank's account in our cash book. Similarly, bank is also maintaining our account in their books. So, when we are depositing or when we are withdrawing, they have to enter in their books also, and also they have to give a copy to us, the copy of our account maintained by the bank in the form of passbook or pass sheet. Thus, getting the passbook or pass sheet, we are comparing with our cash book whether our bank balance, that is cash book balance, is agreed with the passbook balance or not. Usually, if a businessman having high volume of transactions with a check and all these facilities, definitely the cash book balance and the passbook balance will be different. Definitely it will be different. But he has to, that is businessman has to watch and verify what are the items credited in our passbook, what are the items not credited in the passbook, what are the items debited, what are the items not debited. He has to compare his cash book and passbook. Then he has to go to bank and tell them what are the items not debited so far, what are the items not credited. Then only he can tally his cash book and passbook balance. So, frequently the businessman is comparing his cash book and passbook. That is why I told you definitely this balance may differ. So, on a particular date, we are preparing a statement. What statement? Bank reconciliation statement. For what? Why our cash book and passbook shows a different balance. We are stating the reasons why our cash book and passbook shows a different balance on a particular date. This statement is known as bank reconciliation statement. It is usually prepared by customer or businessman. Okay. What are the reasons for showing the different balance between cash book and passbook? I will tell you some examples. Suppose when we are depositing checks into our bank account, immediately what we are doing? We are recording in our cash book. That means our cash book balance increases. But at the same time, it won't be immediately credited in our passbook. Sometimes they will send it through clearing or for collection. So, it will take some 3 to 10 days. Till that time, our cash book balance and passbook balance may be different one. This is one of the reasons. Similarly, when we are issuing checks to our suppliers, we are immediately entering in our cash book. That means our cash book balance is coming down. At the same time, as and when these checks are presented in our bank, then only our bank balance is coming down. So, till then our cash book and passbook will show a different balance. One more, bank may debit bank charges or interest or ATM charges from our account. Immediately they will debit our account, but we will notice it as and when it is updated from the bank. So the difference of these three items will be reflected in our cash book also. Our cash book balance will be more and passbook balance will be less because bank have debited or deducted from account. So these are only three examples, but lot of examples are there because of a lot of reasons our cash book and passbook balance may differ. So we are preparing a statement known as bank reconciliation statement. To do this problem, very simple method is there. We can do it simply. We can do all the objective type questions very simply. So watch it in our next video. Till then, bye.
If you like our content, do like, share and subscribe.